What's up guys, this is Jordan Tan, your friendly neighborhood bartender again. Today, another classic cocktail will be shown to you guys. It's called Long Island Iced Tea, one of my favorite. Let's go through the base ingredient. We call it a 4-bite. Rum, vodka, tequila, gin. The liqueur will be 3%. The modifier, we have freshly squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup, and of course we need to top it up with Coke. And yep, Long Island iced tea will be served with either a corking glass or a highball glass. Okay, as usual, let's go with the cheapest ingredient first. Let's have 30 ml of simple syrup, 30 ml of lemon juice, 30 ml of 3%, as usual, 30 ml of rum, 30 ml of vodka, 30 ml of rum, last but not the least, 30 ml of gin. Okay. When all the ingredients are in, so you can see down here, we need to top it up with Coke. That's where the tea colors comes in. Garnish it. Lemon, since lemon juice is being used. Down here. Perhaps some lemon peel as well. Squeeze something. Just drop it in. As you can see, it has been layered with 2 different colors, but this is not how it's served. We need to give it a simple stir with a spoon. Just do it up and down will do. And of course, if you would have noticed earlier, I have already add in some ice into my glass. So basically an up and down motion. Together with a metal straw, it's time for your favorite Long Island iced tea. Cheers, folks.